To add zombie spawns to your map, you're going to be using DM spawns. So right click on the 2D grid, go to multiplayer, and DM. Place it outside where you just created the barricade, and you can create as many as you want. Be in mind, the more zombie spawns you create, you're going to have to hit N on the keyboard to bring up the entity editor and add information to this. So if you have 20 zombie spawns, you're going to add information to all 20. Alright, I went ahead and added the zombie spawns to my map. A little tip is when you're adding the spawns, put them behind walls or buildings and not right in front of the barricade, so when the zombies spawn, players don't shoot them right away. Alright, now let's add the information to the zombie spawn. So go to your zombie spawn, select it, hit N on the keyboard, key is target name, the value will be spawn group 1. Depending on how many you have, the second one will be spawn group 2, spawn group 3, and so on. So if you have 10 zombie spawns, you have to go spawn group 1 through 10. Just like this. The second one, select the zombie spawn, go here, spawn group 2. Go to the third one, select it, spawn group 3, and so on. Alright, now we gotta set up a script origin and place it somewhere in the middle of your map, and then link each zombie spawn to this origin. With this origin, the zombies will spawn in and move towards this point. Without it, the zombies will spawn in and not move until a player runs by them. Alright, to add the origin, just right click on the 2D grid, go to script, origin. As you can see, it places it right there. Place this origin somewhere in the middle of your map, so the zombies will run by a player. I'm going to put it in this middle, right in the middle of the building. Matter of fact, I'm actually going to move it above the building so I can easily select it and link the zombie spawns to it. So from there, like I mentioned before, every zombie spawn you have in the map, you're going to have to link it. To do that, first find a zombie spawn. I have one over here. Right click the zombie spawn, go to the script origin, right click it, and hit W. As you can see, it creates a red line, and if you notice, the arrows are pointing from the zombie spawn all the way to the script origin. If this line or arrows are reversed, disconnect it and redo it. So once again, find another zombie spawn, right click, move to your origin, right click, W. Go to the third one, right click, select the origin, and W. And once that's done, then you can have this selected. Just select the origin and then move it down to the level of your map. Just like that. Alright, once you're done adding the zombie spawns, you're actually going to have to create an opening from the DM spawns into your map, because in part 5 when we add the waypoints, when we start the mod, you're going to actually spawn at one of these DM spawns, and if you have a player clip around your whole entire map and no entrance, you're actually going to be stuck outside your map. So for right now, go to your player clip, raise it, just like that. For example, move one of the fences or one of whatever you have blocking your entrance, just move it out. And I'm going to do that for all the spawns that I have. So I have another spawn over here. So what I'm going to do is move this player clip up, take this fence, and move it back. And like I said, do this all for every zombie spawn you have.